In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Webflow site. Whether you're looking to clean up old projects or just need to make room for something new, the process is straightforward, and we're here to walk you through every step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. Head over to webflow.com and enter your credentials. Make sure you have access to the correct account because deleting a site is a permanent action, and you want to ensure you're working within the right workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. Take a moment to scan through your projects to locate the specific site you want to delete. This dashboard is essentially a control center for all your projects, offering an overview of everything you've been working on. After you've identified the site you want to delete, focus on its thumbnail. Just beneath it, you'll notice 3 little dots. These dots represent your disclosure menu. Think of it as a gateway to additional options for managing your site. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Archive. The reason you'll see Archive instead of Delete is due to how Webflow manages sites. Archiving the site first is an essential step. It acts as a safeguard, ensuring that you don't accidentally delete something important. Archiving does not remove the site entirely. It simply tucks it away, making it inactive and hidden from your dashboard's main view. By selecting Archive, you'll initiate this first layer of removal. This takes the site out of the main lineup, giving you some peace of mind in case of any second thoughts. However, if you're sure about permanently getting rid of the site, archiving is just the initial step. Once archived, you have the choice to leave it or proceed with a full deletion. To completely delete the site, after archiving, you would navigate to your account settings or contact Webflow support if you're not finding the option yourself, as the interface might have updates that occasionally change the exact placement of options. Remember, once a site is fully deleted, there is no way to recover it, so double-check and be absolutely sure your decision to delete is final. This process ensures that your work and time invested in creating your site are respected until you're positive it no longer serves your needs. And there you have it. Deleting a Webflow site involves logging in, locating your project, using the disclosure menu, and archiving first. This method ensures you have time to change your mind before final deletion. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more Webflow tips.